So in the video that you're about to watch, I stated that you had to remove these defrost tabs in order to remove your bracket. You in fact do not have to. Whenever I originally made that statement, I actually had my whole hatch open, and whenever this is closed, this little clip right here and this nut right here are really close together, and you can't get a socket up into it. But once the rear glass hatch is open, you can get to it very easily on both sides. So you don't have to remove this little defrost clip. If you want to, you can, and like I said in the video, you have to push in on this right here and wiggle it off, and it'll come right off, no problem. And then to put it back on, you just simply clip it back in. Good morning, YouTube. So today I am going to be working on a 1993 Nissan Pathfinder, also known as a WD21, and I'm going to be putting the rear hatch glass supports on. And in order to do so, you have to loosen this little nut that's right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that up. Now, this is an OEM glass support, and in order to get this off, you have to extract this bolt, or this little ball mechanism right here, as well as lifting your hatch up. And I've already removed these, but you also have to remove this clip right here, and in order to do that, you just press down right here and pull it, and it will come off. And then you take a 10mm, and then you will remove these nuts, which look like this. Better yet, I'll show you on this side. This is one I've already done. So you take a 10mm and you remove these little nuts right here that hold this part on here. And if you look on the inside of your new one, you will see that it says R. I'm assuming that's for the right, because whenever I look at this one, it too has an R right there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of this, and I'm gonna let you watch me fail. And after you get it pretty loose, you can just take it off with your finger. So it is now off. I'm gonna remove the old hardware right here, and the support that I got came with a ball and washer, which comes in handy because the OEM does not come off the ball. So I'm going to take my hardware. The way I'm doing it, the way that it originally came off was you had a lock washer right here, then you had a washer. I'm going to flip that around because this little gasket that's right here likes to turn, and then the way I feel is, oh, I just dropped it. The way that I feel is maybe if I reverse the washers around, then maybe it will hold on to this part, which I'm assuming will try to keep that from spinning. So I'm going to go ahead and put this new ball back in. And the ball that goes in is a 12mm. I'll take that back, this one's bigger. So this one's actually a 14mm. Actually it's a 13, but I don't have a 13mm, so I'm gonna make do with the 14 that I got. And just like that, the ball's back on. And this clip that I got, or the support, has a little clips right here. You just take you a little flathead screwdriver, pop it in there. Works a lot better when you say pop it. Pop it up just like that, which removes the clips from that area. So that will go right on the ball just like that. And then you just push the clip back down and it ain't going nowhere. Spin this around just like this, maybe. Got it right the first time apparently. Then you take the 10mm. Make sure I got y'all in the shot right there. Kind of hard to see. It's kind of an overcast day. And you just take your 10mm. And you put the little nuts back on. Finger tighten on for now. Then you take your good old ratchet. And then you snug it up just enough. And those are now secured. Then you take your little clip. That's for your rear defrost. Put it back up there. Oh yeah, works a lot better now. And that is how you do the hatch, glass hatch supports. And these are a strong arm brand. I got them from liftsportersdepot.com. I am not sponsored by them. It just, everything that I needed to do the job came with it. So shout out to them. But I mean, they came out of California. I ordered them probably, I don't know, I'd have to look at it, but I'm pretty sure that I ordered them 4 or 5 days ago, and they were I was immediately charged instead of taking 2 or 3 days for me to be charged with it. And I received them yesterday. So yesterday was Wednesday, so let's say I ordered them Saturday. So I mean, it was a real quick on delivery. And if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them the best I can. thank you for watching my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and a little bell icon. And I'm going to be trying to bring more DIY fishing and fun stuff to my channel. Again, thank you for watching.